A 23-year-old defendant faces burglary charges after being caught inside a church. What begins as a simple plea deal quickly unravels, revealing missing money, disturbing details about his past, and a shocking criminal history that changes everything. The judge's patience wears thin, and the sentence carries more weight than expected.
If you come down, court is calling 2025 CR 007-014, State versus Jeremy Tyler Lopez. Can I have parties announced?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Danielle Cranberg for the defense.
And are you Mr. Lopez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that state is in compliance with discovery. Did you understand you're charged with burglary of a building, that the state jail felony range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 198 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's a $1,000 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Judge, I believe the intention for the state was for it to be a judgment sentence.
All right, state, is that the plea?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions? Outside the agreement, the state is requesting no contact with city, community, church. Did you understand that's a recommendation from the state and the court does not have to follow that recommendation?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not
Already the hesitation tells us a lot. He's caught in a web of excuses, yet still hoping to avoid full responsibility. Do you think no contest was his way of dodging guilt, or just fear of admitting the truth?
guilty or no contest? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
We had discussed no contest.
No contest.
All right, do you understand what a no contest plea means?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state, any evidence to support the plea?
State offer states one in attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We'd ask the court to follow the agreement.
All right, why are you doing this? How old are you?
I'm 23.
All right, according to the police reports, you're causing disturbance at your parents' home and you're committing burglary of a building at this church. Why are you doing this?
His story sounds almost innocent, until you remember this isn't about trespassing, but burglary. The judge isn't buying curiosity as a defense, and neither should we. What would you think if someone was found wandering your church at night?
So I go to that church at night because it's an amphitheater church, and I just like to walk the stage and listen to music. That's what I usually do. I go there to free my mind at night, and it just so happened that the time that I needed to use the restroom, I saw that there was a door open, and I didn't plan anything. I just was just curious why the door was open, and it's just something that I know I made a mistake.
Well, I mean, you made choices that were not good choices.
Yes, that's right. But I was really just curious. I did not plan anything like that. And it's just something that I ended up walking into.
And then they said that there was money missing. They said there was money missing after you had walked into the church and left. So it's more than just walking and being curious. You understand?
I believe that's the mistake there.
Well, I mean, did you?
This is the turning point. His explanation crumbles under the weight of the evidence. Money doesn't just disappear. At this moment, the judge shifts from listening patiently to directly challenging his honesty.
Take money or not? Because they're saying that you walked in, there was money before you walked in, and when you left, money was missing.
Yeah,
$619.50 was reported missing from the church cafeteria. How far did you go in school?
I made it to the last month of my senior year. It
Why?
was a school in the country of North Dakota, in the very country there. It was a school where there's only 10 kids in my class.
Mhm.
And the same 10 kids attend that same school from preschool to their senior year. And so when I went back to my senior year there, they were really judgmental of me. My parents are part of the military, so I lived in a lot of different,
So let me ask you this, because there are a lot of people who have parents who are in the military. Your mom said that you have been causing disturbance at the home.
and I could tell you that my family that I've explained to that the way that my mom is being, they could say that a lot different of a story than what she's trying to.
Well, you're 23. You need to get a place of your own
That's
instead of
because,
living with your mom.
My bad for interrupting. I was 19 when I first got incarcerated. And I was recently released a few months ago.
The courtroom tone changes. This isn't just about one burglary, it's about a young man repeating bad patterns. Do you think his rough past explains his choices, or is he hiding behind excuses?
So that's the reason why I'm 23 and still there now, because I was 19 before I was incarcerated.
And what's with this teardrop?
It's for a lot of things. It's not anything bad.
What is it for?
I feel like I've been put into a lot of positions where I've been forced to burn a lot of bridges that I've had, and because of that, I've lost a lot of people in my life.
So here's the thing. I really don't have a problem with tattoos. People can do whatever they want to, but teardrops beneath the eye have certain connotations. I don't know why people start tattooing their face. If you want to tattoo your face, fine, but your job prospects are going to be limited. And it's going to be limited to maybe being an actor, maybe investing in concealer, maybe working with a band, or maybe who knows, there'll be some great person who will see past the tattoos. So what is his criminal history?
I believe he's currently on felony probation in another county, Judge.
All right, and what are you on felony probation for?
And there it is, the bombshell. His calm explanations about curiosity collapse when his violent past is exposed. The judge's suspicion now makes perfect sense.
and aggravated robbery.
Ah, thank you. Now I know what's going on. This is why I ask these questions. So the court is finding him guilty. The court is going to sentence him to 198 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. There's to be no contact and restitution, if any, to city, community, church. And the court will show that this judgment is satisfied so that the other county can come pick you up. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction,
The contrast is striking. 198 days may sound light, but the judge's warning is heavy. This is less about today's punishment and more about his future. Will this wake-up call finally push him to change?
you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. You better do better. Otherwise, you're going to end up the rest of your life in somebody's prison. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
In the end, the story is about choices. Lopez's path has been marked by bad decisions and broken trust, but the judge gives him one last chance. Whether he takes it or not, that's on him. This case shows how a seemingly minor burglary plea revealed much deeper issues. A stolen $600, family conflict, and a violent criminal past. The judge balanced firm sentencing with tough advice, reminding us that repeated mistakes can destroy a life. If you found this case as eye-opening as we did, don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe for more real courtroom moments where choices meet consequences.